So today I'm going to unbox the ShotScope G5 GPS watch to have a closer look. And if you don't like wearing a GPS watch when you play golf, I'll show you why this might be the watch to change your mind. It comes preloaded with 36,000 golf courses worldwide. The new feature with this watch is that it comes with interchangeable straps. I chose red and blue, but there are 12 other colours to choose from. Opening the box, it's very minimalist, with only the club face and charging cable inside. I like the size of the watch face seems very compact. It's not touchscreen, but looking at the buttons on the side, they look really straightforward to use. I obviously need to be near my local golf course to pick up a GPS signal, but it looks really simple to get started. It's really similar to the very popular V3 GPS watch from ShotScope. On the back, you'll see this new charging port. This is a change from previous models, which is only connected through using a clip. All new models now have a specific port, which I think makes them more secure when charging with this new USB charging cable. The options on the watch are really simple. Use the buttons on the side to choose between playing golf or adjusting your settings. Here you can adjust things like time, the layout of your screen, and even check the battery level. As I said, it tells the time, and there are some basic options between choosing different watch faces. You can wear this away from the golf course, but it will be very basic in comparison to other golf GPS watches. The straps look really nice. They're a smooth rubbery material. They feel really comfortable, and I think they look cool. This blue one here is bright and it's simple to connect using the adjustable inserts to easily clip the watch into place. When both straps are attached, I think it looks really cool. On my wrist, I think it looks good. I like the contrast between the black face and the blue strap. It feels good, nice, lightweight, and it doesn't feel too bulky. When I compare it against the new ShotScope X5, you can see it's a smaller watch, and although the size of the club faces look quite similar, I think the size of the strap looks less bulky than the X5. They both have the same charging port. Although the X5 has more features and tracking tags, I really like the look and feel of the G5. So if you don't usually wear a GPS watch, this might be worth a try as it's so thin, light, and I could actually forget I'm wearing it. Also, it doesn't have so many features that you spend more time playing with your watch than you do thinking about your golf. Which one would you choose, the X5 or the G5 watch? Comment below.